Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negolescu and today I will show you how to start an automation with ServiceNow connector from UiPath Go. So, first, what we need? We need a ServiceNow instance for do the testing. So for this, we'll go to the developerservicenow.com, and on developerservicenow.com, we'll go on the program developer. Here, if I create an account, the ServiceNow system will provide me an instance that will be valid for 10 days. So sign up for the account and get the instance. And after this, you will receive an email where in the email, you will have the link to your instance and user and password. So let's see if I go here, and this is the link for my, my instance. I will put the link from my instance here, and first time, the instance is hibernating, so the instance should be wake up. So you'll see that is a time to wake up the instance. And after this time finish, the instance is loaded, you will see this screen. And in the screen, you have the link of the instance. If you double click here, you will go and log into your instance where you put the user and password. Well, in my case, I already saved on the web browser. So say, okay. And here you have an instance that will work with for 10 days, yeah? So you need to access each, at least one time each 10 days, and the instance will not be clear. And you'll have a lot of data here by default. Now, let's see the UiPath. So if you want to, you don't have UiPath on your PC, go to UiPath.com, you hit start trial, and you can download the UiPath Community Edition. After you install the UiPath Community Edition, you will go and start UiPath Studio. And on UiPath Studio, you will create a project, and on this project, you will put the ServiceNow connector. So let's create a project. Process. Let's say ServiceNow connector. We'll create a project. And now inside of the project, we need to have this connector, yeah? So I will go here on all the package. I will write ServiceNow, and I will select here UiPath team, ServiceNow, and I will hit install and save. After I hit install and save, you will see that in the activities, I will have here under UiPath team, ServiceNow, a lot of activities. With what the first thing that you need to do is to drag and drop a UiPath and ServiceNow application scope. And on the ServiceNow application scope, you will complete here the username, the password, and you have to provide him here the endpoint. So the endpoint of your instance. Remember, the instance was here, so the endpoint is this one. Control C, and I will provide the endpoint. So if you put the user and password, the endpoint, and so on, you will have a valid connection. So I put the username and password, and now if I hit test connection button, you will see that I have a valid connection with my instance. And inside of the scope, I can put all the other activities. Okay, good. So to learn more about how to use the ServiceNow connector, please follow me on the YouTube. Here on the YouTube, on this channel, you have more than 35 videos how to work with ServiceNow and Salesforce connector. Have a good one. Bye-bye.